Hi there. I'm going to be showing everyone a job that some people do at school that is sorting and assembling materials for party bags. So the first thing I have is a container here that has a bunch of different items in it. There are 6 types of items. Okay, so that makes for 6 categories. I am going to sort 2 items at a time. So on the tray, you'll only ever see 2 containers. Okay, each time I take an item, I will show it up here in the middle and then I'll put it into its correct container. When I have all 6 items sorted, I will lay out my 6 containers and then I will put 1 item from each container into our bag, and that will be our assembled party bags. Now, it's pretty unlikely that you would have this many of some materials at home to be able to replicate this job without a little help. So if you think that this is a job you would like your student to practice at home or you guys would enjoy doing together, just let their teacher know and we can get these materials or similar materials to your house without a problem. We don't expect you to have these things lying around, nor should you have to pay for them. Just let us know if you're interested. Okay, so I'm going to get started with sorting my items. All right, the first items that I'm going to sort are in this container here. Oftentimes we will do this at school to make it a little bit easier and just pull those items out. It's easier for us as the teacher to be able to find just the items we're looking for. Okay, and then we do what we call priming the pot, okay, which is taking one of the items. Okay, I have bugs and Mickey Mouse tops. So we're going to call these bugs. The bugs are going to go in the blue container. The Mickeys are going to go in the gray container. Okay. Bug, Mickey, Mickey, bug, 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 Mickey, bug, Mickey, Mickey. There's our first set. Okay, for my second set of items, I have a yellow container. Looks like it's kind of glowing in my unofficial lighting, and another blue container. Okay, and this time I have maracas. A little maraca will go in the yellow container. And a SpongeBob puzzle. I'm just going to call that SpongeBob. That'll go in the blue container. SpongeBob, maraca, maraca, SpongeBob, maraca, maraca, SpongeBob, SpongeBob, maraca, SpongeBob. That's my second set. All right, on to my third set of materials. This time I have another SpongeBob thing. This one's a top. I'm just going to call this one top. Put those in the gray container. And I have a little Spider-Man maze. I'll call it Spider-Man. Okay, so I've got the top going in my gray container and Spider-Man in my yellow container. Here we go. Top, Spider-Man. Top, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Top, top, Spider-Man. Top, Spider-Man. A third set of items is sorted. Now it's going to be time to assemble the bags. All right, you can see my table is now set up for the assembly part of this job. So often how we'll do this is to lay out all the containers sort of as I have here. They're kind of curved and close together so that I can get everything in the shot. I did not bring a film crew with me for this activity, unfortunately. So we would lay all the containers out, and then a teacher or a student, depending on what's the best setup, will take one item out from each container first. So I'll take one from here, and here. Then we get our bag and put those items. And there's our first party bag. Okay, same thing again. One item from each container. Take our bag, put all those items from the table into the bag. Done. Okay. 4 more. Spider-Man, the top, SpongeBob puzzle, Maraca, Bug, and Mickey into the bag. This bag is done. Next bag. Spider-Man, top, SpongeBob puzzle, Maraca, Bug, Mickey. Use the bag. This bag's done. Spider-Man, top, SpongeBob, Maraca, Bug, Mickey. Time for the bag. This bag's done. Looks like I just have one more. Here's my last bag. Spider-Man, top, SpongeBob puzzle, Maraca, Bug, and the Mickey. Okay, now that all of my materials are assembled into my party bags, I'm going to clean up my workspace. So I'm going to stack up these containers. I'm going to put them in this box where all my materials originally were. So I'm going to put these here. And they don't fit perfectly, but I'm going to make them fit. I'm going to put my party bags. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All of my materials back in the box. Now this is the type of job that a student would do at school over and over again, something that we talk about is done for practice. And practicing the same job over and over again allows a student to improve. They might become more accurate when sorting. They might do the whole job faster. They might be able to complete the job more independently, or just need less reminders to focus when completing the job. There are so many ways to improve, so many ways to demonstrate that you are successful at a task. And it's one of the things that we really enjoy doing with students is finding what they are successful at and the ways that they can improve. So I hope you enjoyed this video of sorting and assembling the materials for party bags. And remember, if this is something you would be interested in doing at home, just let your teacher know and we will get the materials sent out to you. All right. See everybody soon. I miss you all.